To set up your Vector login, open the app. Select Register a new account. Enter PTL's DOT number 105234. Here, you'll enter your email address and phone number. Enter your first and last name. Then create a password that's at least 6 characters long. Vector has now sent you an email with a 6-digit verification code. Enter your code. Select Finish, and now you're registered and have access to the Vector app. Continue watching for a brief walkthrough and a feel for how the app works.
Let's begin the Home Depot inbound driver workflow. Select the orange plus icon at the bottom of the screen to start. Select the Home Depot shipment workflow. If the trailer is loaded, enter the Home Depot TMS ID number. If the trailer is empty, select the destination facility you will be delivering to, and you will not need a TMS, bill of lading, or seal to continue. If there is an appointment match, select the appointment, otherwise continue without an appointment, or try again. Enter shipment information such as tractor/trailer number and destination facility. Confirm your license state and last four. Notice that, when tasks are complete, they will turn green. Submit a photo of the shipment BOL. And select the vendor you picked up from. Confirm the seal number. And submit a photo of the trailer seal. When you arrive at the distribution center, select I have arrived. If you are not within the 1.5-mile geofence, you will be asked to wait to check in. The Welcome Center will review your shipment information and assign you a yard spot. When the Welcome Center has completed your check-in, proceed to assigned yard spot and confirm drop location. When you have dropped the trailer, submit a final photo of the drop trailer and spot location. Confirm the seal number. Then submit photo of the trailer seal. After you've selected Ready to exit, you will see a screen showing that you've completed the workflow.